Next, I'm going to have you install my files. What you need to do is go to the Help menu and locate the Add-ons selection, release it, and scroll down and go to Ron Brown's Basic End-of-Day and Intraday Filters, Views, and Combos. There is another listing here right now that's going to be removed. These files have been changed. In fact, they've changed dramatically since I first posted these, so do not download this. It will only lead to confusion, but these files have been updated. So just click on that and then select Download Zip, and it'll say Ron Basic FVCS, Views, Filters, and Combos. Mine goes in my Downloads folder. So here it is right here. I'm going to move this out of the way, and then under Preferences, just drop down, select Install Add-ons. Then you have to locate your download folder or wherever you downloaded it, and here it is right here. Ron Basic, Views, Filters, and Combos. Select that. Say OK. Say yes. And that's it. Now you will have most of my views, filters, and combos. Let's just take a look at this. You can see that when I open this, under the Quick Pick Warehouse Views, there's my name, and I have end-of-day and intraday warehouse scans. There are several folders in the warehouse view, and within these folders there are many scans. I will not be touching up on all of these, but I wanted to give them to you so you could experiment, but I will be going over some of them. Down here in folder number 2, this is primarily for top-down market analysis. I'll be making short videos on this, and you can also follow my videos when I do post them. Under scorecard views, here's scorecard stocks, end of day, and intraday. So when I click on scorecards end of day, and you can see that I'm still in the best of Woodward and Brown, but I want to go up to the reference groups and select all securities, and then I will sort on raw combo. Now let me explain what this is doing. I'm going to click over here on this Edit Current View, and this is the view. These on the right hand side, these are the fields which are showing up in the warehouse. You can arrange these any way you want to, but don't alter mine, because if you download them again, they'll just be overwritten and they'll revert to what's here now. But this is the way it's set up. Here is a filter. It's just a very basic filter. I'm looking for stocks $1 and above, trading a minimum of 100,000 shares is a common stock. And if I want to limit this to only stocks in a group, I would change this to greater than 0. That gives me 3181. If you look up here, you'll see it says 3380. What I'm doing with the filters that I'm posting right now, I am letting all common stocks pass rather than just those in groups. So if I apply that, and then if I look at the combo rank, the combo rank lets us build fields using the warehouse fields that are available. And these are the warehouse fields back here. I can weight these according to what I want. So you can see right here the percent close to the volume point of control. 10 days is weighted at 14%. I'm looking for stocks to come to the top of the list that are in the upper part of their range and have had a large one-day change. Plus, the percent volume to the 50-day moving average volume is weighted at 14%, and then all of these other fields are less important. So mostly the technicals are important. So what does this do? With the filter attached and the combo attached, If you sort on raw combo, which sorts based upon these combo rankings I just showed you, we're going to find stocks that meet that criteria. So on yesterday, there was a percentage price change of 8.1%. Over 5 days, 10.6%. Closed at 63.04% of its daily range, and volume was heavy. The volume average on the 90-day is only 208,000 shares. So it's a low volume stock. You can see the industry group, and these fields right in here tell me the ranking. The accumulation is A, EPS rank is 92 out of 99, relative strength is 93 out of 99. That's compared to all the other stocks in the database. Group rank is 92. It's in a strong group. This is out of 99. And these all total up to 277. The O score, I don't pay much attention to anymore, but stocks with high O scores have a consistent earnings growth quarter to quarter, but the technicals and the VPA information is actually more important. So let's look at the chart. Now here's the base chart, but with the add-on, you're going to, if I can open this up, you're going to find my charts in here. Here's end of day and intraday. The reason there are both sets is because some of the fields are going to be slightly different for end of day and intraday. For example, if I go open this up and go to chart number 4, this is the end of day information on this stock. You can see that the change, the range, that is the intraday range of the stock, and the volume are on here. Now if I go to the same chart on intraday, number 4, I don't have intraday information running. I'm doing this on a Saturday. That information will be the intraday data. So that's why I have two different sets of charts. Now getting back to the scorecard view and the combo ranking, the strongest stocks are at the top of the list. Cleveland Cliffs reported yesterday, and I need to go back to my end of day number 4 chart to get this information. Up 4%. The range is only 53.03 because there was profit taking at the end of the day. Very heavy volume here. This is a high volume stock. Here's the last close, the net change. EMA fan, I'll get into that later, but it just means that a stock is in a pretty strong uptrend. I'll zoom out on this. And it doesn't look like a strong uptrend here, but it meets the criteria of the moving averages. Well, let me just go to my number 1 chart and you'll see what I mean. If the price of the stock is above these 4 moving averages, the 18-day exponential, the 50, the 100, and the 200, it is considered to be in an uptrend. These 2 moving averages are the 3 and the 6. This is a short-term trend. These are longer-term trends. So if you see EMA fan up, trend equals yes, it means the price is above these 4 moving averages. If you look over here to the left, you'll see the relationship of these moving averages, percent close to the 1850, 100, and 200, and the percentage either of above or below, and obviously these are all above. Getting back to the warehouse, once again, the stocks that best fit the combo rank are going to be near the top of the list. Now, if I click over here on the far left, scroll down and go down to the bottom, these stocks are the ones that fit the combo the least. In other words, let me go back to number 4. You can see that this stock is a cheap stock, clearly in a downtrend. So it is having the combo is having just the opposite effect here. Maybe I should explain that better. The combo with these fields, and let me bring this combo back up. Percentage price change, and so on, range, volume. These are bullish stocks. If you go down to the end of this, or if I sort on this and have the arrow down and go up to the top, these are going to be the weakest stocks. Now I've gone slightly over 10 minutes. I'm going to end this and I'll be making some more videos. But at this point, I want you to install my files and get set up and get prepared to learn some about VPA and using my files.